Welcome to the Digi-Wave Connect docking station tutorial. In this video, we'll cover how to use the DWD 401 docking station, explore real-world scenarios, and show how it integrates with other Williams AV technologies and components. The DWD 401 docking station provides both a convenient charging dock and a professional audio interface for the Digi-Wave 400 series products, including the DLT400, the DLR400, and the DWT410. However, it is not compatible with the DLR400 ALK. It features a durable mounting bracket with a tension clip designed to securely hold DLT400 or DLR400 devices, but it's not compatible with the DLR400 ALK. A USB-C charging port supplies power to the dock device. The DWD 401 can function as either an analog to digital converter or a digital to analog converter, allowing audio connection between Digi-Wave devices and external systems. For analog audio input, it features a combination XLR or quarter-inch, balanced or unbalanced, female jack for line-level input, and an XLR-only male jack for balanced line-level output. The docking station comes with a USB 3.1 Type-C cable, a 5-volt DC 1.2 amp power supply, and a mounting bracket, part number BKT040, designed for top mounting a Digi-Wave device. The station also includes several fastener openings that allow you to mount it to a platform, wall, ceiling, or other surface for permanent installation. Connect the mounting bracket to the top of the DWD 401 docking station using the threaded fastener through the hole at the base of the bracket. The mount features tension arms that securely hold the Digi-Wave device in place while seated in the bracket. Consider a scenario using a Williams AV IC2 interpreter console integrated with the Digi-Wave broadcast system via the Digi-Wave Connect. To learn more about the IC2 console, please watch our IC2 interpreter console tutorial video. In that tutorial, we describe a multilingual event featuring a presenter speaking English with two interpreter stations, one interpreting English to Spanish and one interpreting English to Italian. If we want to broadcast all three languages using Digi-Wave, we'll use the DWD 401 docking station, requiring a minimum of 2 and up to 4 docking stations total, depending upon the number of interpreter channels and configurations needed. For this setup, we also recommend watching the Digi-Wave AIM 24-channel interpretation tutorial to better understand the Digi-Wave interpretation modes and how to configure them effectively. Step 1. Power on the DWD 401 docking station by connecting the provided power supply. Step 2. The IC2 console provides XLR line-level outputs for each interpreter channel. Run an XLR cable from the desired IC2 output channel to the line input on the DWD 401. Step 3. Connect a Digi-Wave 400 transceiver, DLT400, to the docking station using the USB-C cable provided. Once all the connections are made, when the interpreter activates their microphone on the IC2 console, that audio signal will follow the path into the DWD 401 line input and be broadcast over the Digi-Wave system according to the DLT's configured settings. Another way to use the Digi-Wave Connect is to route audio received over the air from a Digi-Wave transceiver or receiver out to another peripheral system. In this setup, the Digi-Wave device acts as the broadcast receiver connected to the dock via USB-C. The dock then converts the digital signal to analog audio, which can be sent out using the XLR quarter-inch cable from the line out on the DWD 401 to another system. For instance, we may want to use the Digi-Wave system in a live event setting, but also want to send the received live audio out to a video conference, allowing remote participants to hear the same in-person broadcast. Step 1. Power on the DWD 401 by connecting the provided power supply. Step 2. Connect a Digi-Wave 400 transceiver, DLT400, or a rechargeable Digi-Wave 400 receiver, DLR400 RCH, to the docking station using the provided USB-C cable. Before connecting the device to the dock, use headphones to verify that the audio is being received properly. Step 3. Using an XLR or quarter-inch cable, connect the line out from the Digi-Wave dock to the line-level input of your video conferencing interface. Thank you for watching this Digi-Wave Connect tutorial. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos referenced in this tutorial to learn more about using the Digi-Wave broadcast system or the IC2 interpretation console. As always, if you need support, please reach out to the Tech Services and Design team at techservices@williamsav.com, and for sales inquiries, reach out to us at info@williamsav.com.